Everyone dreams of making huge money, but only a few know how to do it. This video will break it down step by step without wasting your time. Get ready to take action. How to make huge money. No fluff, just results. Before you make money, you need the right mindset. Money flows to those who think big and act bold. Eliminate limiting beliefs like money is evil or I don't deserve to be rich. Replace them with I create value and I get rewarded for it. Focus on skills, not luck. Success is predictable when you develop expertise. Mindset is 80% of success. Skill and strategy are the rest. Making huge money requires a focus on high-demand markets. Here's how to find the right opportunities. Follow the money. Look at industries where money flows. Tech, finance, healthcare, online education, real estate. Solve pain points. The bigger the problem you solve, the more people are willing to pay you. Start asking, what does the market need that I can provide? Scalable models. Focus on opportunities that can scale. For example, a digital product can sell 1,000 times with little extra effort. Skills are your currency in today's economy. These are the ones that pay the most. Tech skills. Learn coding, AI development, or cybersecurity. Sales and marketing. Master the art of persuasion. Sales drive every business. Investment knowledge. Understand stock markets, crypto, and real estate to grow your wealth passively. Leadership and management. Companies pay top dollar for people who can lead teams and scale operations. Invest in learning skills that generate massive value. Once you have the mindset, skills, and opportunities, it's time to monetize. Here are proven ways to make huge money. Freelancing or consulting. Offer your expertise to clients directly. High-ticket services can make you six figures fast. Start a business. Create a product or service and sell it online. Platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and social media make this accessible to anyone. Invest wisely. Invest in assets like stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrency. Let your money work for you. Automation and delegation. Once you start earning, reinvest in tools and people to scale your income streams. Making huge money isn't complicated. It's about focus, consistency, and action. Stop overthinking and start executing. If you want detailed guides on any of the steps, let me know in the comments. Take action now. Subscribe for more no-fluff money-making tips. Remember, you're one idea away from your breakthrough. Don't wait. Start today.